Hey, so today I'll show you how to use Google Keep for productivity in 2026. If you want to stay organized, finish tasks faster, and stop forgetting things, this guide will help you set everything up step by step. First, create a daily checklist. Write down your tasks like work, study, or personal goals so everything is clear. Next, use labels like work, school, or ideas. This helps you quickly find important notes. Now, assign colors to different types of tasks. This makes your notes visually organized and easier to scan. Yeah, add reminders to important notes. Google Keep will notify you so you never miss deadlines. Now, pin your top priority notes. This keeps your most important tasks always at the top. Yeah, you can record voice notes for fast ideas. Perfect when you're busy and don't want to type. Now, archive tasks you've completed. This keeps your workspace clean but still saves your history. Yeah, Google. Keep syncs automatically across all devices. You can access your tasks anywhere, anytime. If you want real productivity, review your notes daily or weekly. This helps you stay consistent and organized. So, yeah, that's how you use Google Keep for productivity. Once you build the habit, it becomes your personal organization system. Thanks for watching.